Hey guys, how's it going? It's Charlie, and today's video, I'm gonna do a toy review video. So yep, here he is. It's the Kong Skull Island 18 posable Kong Mega figure. Yeah, and there's this little guy there, and he is 18 inches tall. And only at Walmart, yeah. I bought this guy at Walmart. And it costs like about like $9. Oh man, I forgot. It cost like something about $10, I think. $9.80. No, it was like cost something like $21. I don't know. Collect them all. There's some like cool pictures of creatures, you know. There's a boat, helicopter, mega figure. With this mega epic figure, you get to decide how Kong became king. Take control of the mighty monster as he protects our world from the most powerful creatures on Skull Island. A 100-foot mountain of muscle, Kong stands tall in the face of danger. Get ready for battle with the new king of action. There's the monarch thingy. Yeah. And I saw that symbol, this logo thing, or wherever, from the 2014 Godzilla movie. And I heard that there will be a movie called Kong vs. Godzilla coming out soon. And yeah, that'll be intense to see, you know. There's a really cool picture of King Kong fighting the Skullcrawler. Oh, neat. And, so yeah, I'm gonna get this guy open and let's get on with it, shall we? There we go. Alright guys, here he is. Here's King Kong. Oh, his feet are... Look at the feet, it's like... Make them like crooked or some sort of... Sideways. Yeah, you can't move the legs, you know, and feel... It's pretty good detail, and I like how they did to the hair. There's his face. What's weird about his face and the head, I mean, like, it's like, you can turn a little bit, like, I don't know, let me see something. Whoa, that was weird. Yeah, you can move his head like side to side, you know, as you can see. And here's the arm. You can move it up, and man, it's hard to do with the camera in my hand. You can, you know, you can see the fist. Oh, you can twist the hand around. There we go. Here, let me try something else. There we go. Yeah, you can twist the fist, and you can move the arms. Man, this camera. Ah. There we go. Pretty neat. And you can do the same thing with this arm. This guy's huge. Look how big he is, and I need to get rid of this screw right here. It's so weird that it was like screwed into the box, like it was screwed onto the box, whatever. Like, the box is attached to him, and that's what the back looks like. And here's the side. You can still see the screw poking out. Yeah. And here's the front. Throat. Yeah. Isn't that neat? And here's this army guy right here. I got him out of the box, and who is that supposed to be? Like, who is this? They do a good job with the details, all the wrinkles and stuff. He has an RPG or some sort. Yeah. And yeah, he's a really cool figure. I really love it. And hold on a minute. Here's the Shogun Warrior Godzilla figure. And Godzilla is like a little bit taller than Kong. Yeah. And so yeah, this figure is huge. Look how big he is. Yeah. And yeah, the arms move pretty good, and the detail looks great. So yeah, I think that is it for this guy. So yeah guys, that is it today's video. I hope y'all enjoy it. And please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And I hope y'all have a great day and good luck.